What's up, guys? I just made a new supercharger. It has bigger blades. As you can see, I got him credits to CRS. He's the one who designed this engine. Thank you. I love it. I'm probably gonna do what he did also. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna try to attach a turbine in the front of this. I don't know exactly how to, but I'm also gonna be doing some sounds of my inline 2, some sounds of this idling, and then some sounds of my turbine. I don't know if I told you all this, but I basically was running this with a 4-bladed turbine, and it didn't go as well. So I broke this before, and then yeah, destroyed it, and then I just used parts from it to build a 4-bladed one. But for some reason, since it didn't run that good, I switched back to here, and now this works even better than it did. So yeah, anywho, here we go. I absolutely love the sound of this engine, this supercharger. I don't know what about it is, but I just love it. So I'm just some more of y'all. Okay, but anyway, let's just do some sound of this idling. Here we go. Well, actually it's gonna be like half idling. So it's gonna be kind of like that. So yeah, and here you go. Alright, now we're gonna run this with the flywheel on the back. Be really tight. I was trying to use this one, but it didn't really work. But I'm gonna try it again. So yeah. If it doesn't work, then let's do some sounds of my inline 2. Actually, we'll do some idling of this. So we can see this work. I mean, it's like kind of. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Here we go. this one again can't go all the way still, but it sounds a lot better. I mean, it still sounds. Look, the other one still sounded pretty good, but it sounds better now. I feel like, at least in my opinion. Here we go. That's nice. Oh, it is. Oh my god. Wait, what? Got sucked up. So then why isn't it? There it is. There we go. Alright, but anyway, that's enough anyway, so yeah, anyway, it's time for my inline 2. So guys, I'm just sitting on now. So you know how I love space and all that. Well, I'm saving up for this telescope that costs $500. It's gonna take a lot to save up for. It is the Skywatcher. This is Skywatcher. Skywatcher Classic 6-inch depth swinging. I cannot wait to get it, but it's gonna take a long time of saving up. So I refuse to buy anything by then. But anyway, here we go. Anyway, guys, that will be it for today's video, basically. Yeah. So, actually, I need to tell you one more thing. So, I was working on this inline 4, right? I don't know if I told you already or not. But here, hold up. Let me pick up my tripod real quick. Alright. Okay, so I have this inline 4 over here. It's an SOHC. How I'm having it there now is like I can feel it wanting, honestly, I feel like it's wanting to run. But I don't know if it's the timing or what. But also, this, I might be able to get this to run. Cause I removed some pieces from here, like these. I removed all these from inside. I don't know what the point of those is. I might add them back if it's like really important. But yeah, I think I might get this build to run because it's a lot smoother. But yeah, as I said, I don't know how to get this to run. I put springs and everything. One thing I am probably going to do is I'm going to order some new pistons that are flat instead of like the ones I'm using right now. Those will probably help, you know, fix that. But, anyway guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, it won't let me stop the video. Hold up.